Here's a better look at what's going on throughout the entire region. In general, we're in the 40s right now, mid 40s as you're moving along 128 and even 95 this morning. Down toward the Cape, upper 40s, Hyannis at 47, low 40s as you move west of 495. Worcester a bit cooler here, sitting at 39 degrees. Seeing a little color to that sky now. We're about 10 minutes away still from the official start of that sunrise, but it is a beautiful start with that 48-degree temperature, of course. But the wind is out of the west and it's starting to pick up a bit here. Wind right now in Boston at 16 miles per hour. And as you move along the Mass Pike this morning, that wind speed generally between 10 to 20 miles per hour. And it's a little gusty as you move down to the south as well. The thing is, this morning through the afternoon, that wind will pick up region wide. We're expecting wind gusts between 30 to even 35 miles per hour and a sustained wind near 20 miles per hour. So that means that it is going to feel cooler as you head out later today. Now, temperature rise as you're reading that thermometer. We're doing a little weird stuff today because we're actually sitting in the 50s earlier this morning. Now we're in the upper 40s. We'll see a cool down to the mid 40s for later this morning and then back into the upper 40s for later this afternoon. But overall, we're staying in that mid to upper 40 range and kind of flatlining it as far as our temperature outlook. But the problem is that wind this afternoon will make those upper 40s feel cooler. So even though we'll stay around 48 in Boston today, it is going to feel like it's about 40 degrees with that wind chill factor. Moving west of 495, low 40s expected, which means it will feel like the 30s. Moving down to the south and the Cape, we'll sit around 50 degrees today. Now tonight is when that chill really starts to settle back in. We'll see most spots dropping down to the mid to upper 20s under a mostly clear sky. That means as you're heading out tomorrow morning, you're feeling that chill as you're heading out toward the St. Patrick's Day parade. Still, that chill is around as we really have a hard time even hitting 40 for Boston and a few mid to upper 30s as you move through inland locations. So here's your 7-day. It's a beautiful weekend outlook. We do have mostly sunny skies, and that includes that forecast for the St. Patrick's Day parade tomorrow. But just remember that breeze will be around. It's going to feel a little cooler, so pack on those layers. We have a system to our south on Monday. Looks like it is a miss, tracking some snow and rain down through the mid-Atlantic. Staying dry here locally. In fact, with your 7-day forecast, it's a pretty impressive dry stretch for this time of year. Plenty of sunshine, perfect opportunity to get that car washed, as we will see another warm up by Thursday and Friday.